Major Pepper. Mini Pearl. Mercury. Come on. Major Pepper. Come on. Yeah. Come on. I don't know how ouch, how I got all dirty. Mercury. Oh, there's Major Pepper. Oop. And Mercury. Come on. Good girl, Mercury. Good girl. Ouch, that hurts. Mercury. Major Pepper. It's funny how they don't mind me petting them. You're going to fall. You're going to fall, Major Pepper. There you go. There you go. What a good girl. Come on, Mercury. Come on. There you go. They'll let me pet them on my lap, but they won't dare let me pet them when I'm on the ground. Or, they're on the ground. You're sliding off again, Major Pepper. You're sliding off again. There you go, girl. Oh, Mercury. Yeah. You're a good girl. I forgot my tripod again. Yep, I forgot my tripod again. Don't peck me. Come on. Come on, Mercury. Ouch, ouch. It's kind of hard to record a chicken because they move around so much. Whoopsie. Oh, look, there's Mini Pearl. I don't think I've ever had so many chickens on my lap at one time. Yep. Mabel's the one. Mabel took off. Mabel left us. Yep, Mabel left us. She's trying to peck my glasses, I think. Mini Pearl. My goodness. Are you looking at Chopper over here? Oh my goodness. Hey, be nice, Mini Pearl. Ouch, Major Pepper. Hey, it's okay. Okay, Mini Pearl. We're pecking at her. Chickens are funny. Chickens are funny. Yeah, chickens are funny. I wish I would have brought my tripod out here. It's hard to do this. Mercury. Mabel's the only one venturing around. Yeah. Don't leave me, Mercury. Don't leave me, Mercury. Yep.
How do you send a letter?
Huh?
How do you send a letter?
What do you mean send
Like
a letter?
mail a letter. I've never sent a letter before.
You just put the... What is he eating? Chopper, what are you eating?
Chop.
It looks like... I think it was a mushroom. An old mushroom that I threw out here. Mini Pearl. You just put a stamp on it, write the address on it, and then put it on the mailbox, clip it. There's a little clip there. Or you can take it and mail it. Major Pepper. Major Pepper. Mabel's doing her own thing. Come here.
I just put it in the mailbox?
No, you clip it to the outside of the mailbox so the mailman can see it and take it. Or you can take it and mail it in any mailbox, really. Like an apartment building has mailboxes. You can slip it in there. And like you guys, this old one, where you lived. Or just take it to the post office. A post office mailbox or whatever.
Oh, they're letting me cut it today.
I know, I don't understand.
Like, it's
Mini
nice.
Pearl. Mini
It's
Pearl.
nice out there. Ow, fuck you.
Mabel's the mean. Mabel and Mercury will peck you.
Goddamn.
I know. They made me bleed one day. Mercury
You
did.
get away with that shit.
Come here, Mabel. Come here, Mabel. Come here, Mabel.
You get away. You get away.
Come on, Mabel. Okay, well, they're off my lap now. She needs to have her nails trimmed. That one nail is turned. Come here, Mini Pearl. Major Pepper. Major Pepper. Major Pepper.